Beautiful.
I put Axel's rope in the house.
We got a ridiculous amount of snow. Crazy heavy. Look at these trees.
Those are usually upright.
Those trees are usually almost as high as that one in the background there. The one that's still standing up. If not, yeah, they're probably close to the same height as that one that's still standing upright.
Probably the wind last night.
Oh, the snow is heavy. Wow. Man, we got a lot of snow. I'm gonna try to measure it here. So,
Found some yellow snow.
26 centimeters. Looks like 10.5 inches here. I'll go up the driveway a little bit. Okay. Here we are up the drive a little further. 26 centimeters. Yep. Wow. Seems like a lot more than 26 centimeters. But it's heavy. Packy. My plow goes by it. Speaking of, Mr. Snowplow up there on the highway. Boy, look at that tree sagging. Here's a tree that fell down on us. The last storm. I'm gonna leave it like that and skin it and do something with it in the spring. Boy, beautiful. Snow stuck to everything. Very nice.
It's so pretty.
Yep, sure is.
Look at our driveway.
Boy, I can't believe them trees hanging down. That's so, man, that's beautiful. Look at that. Pretty awesome.